Alright, this is the roof inspection video so that you can see what I'm seeing up here. It is super bright out here. Junctions like this are they're alright. The condition is okay. It's not great though, but there are screws missing. There are also screws that are standing up or standing out, or are completely like this one here. Right on top here, small holes, pinholes everywhere. There are a few of these missing throughout. See if we can find some of them. It's not sealed well. Somebody's come back. You can see the different colors, different types of caulkings when they've done minor repair. The water goes here. This is about the location where the leak is coming from as well. Check these seams. They appear to be okay. Tell you, they didn't seal this down anywhere. It's floppy. I know that. Everywhere. That is breaking the barrier too. Every one of those is breaking the barrier, and that could very possibly be what the issue is actually. What is this? I knew it. The electricians. Oh, this is it, yeah. I bet you there's a leak in here too. Okay, I knew it. I told the boy that too. I said, maybe it's the electricians. But when I measured from the inside on the outside, the main leak wasn't coming from the light. These are a spacer. This has to be held off of the wall, probably per code. I would imagine some new code that we have, but they've penetrated this water barrier. As I said, it didn't seem like a whole lot, or that it was really old, but it could have been. It just seemed like it had built up. If it wasn't a big leak, that it was over time. And I do indeed believe that this is going to be a major, probably the cause actually. But looking at the condition and the age of the roof as sits anyway, it would honestly behoove whoever to do the whole thing. Because everything, what we would do is come back. And we're going to check and make sure every one of these is tight. You see how not. You see this huge gap under there, right? The roof is beginning to fail. Well, not the actual, not underneath the roof cover here. It will if that's not fixed, though. If this is not fixed all the way around, that's not going to be good. You can see that right there. It's just a big hole right into there. If I dumped a cup of water here, it would go right inside of there. And you'll see like these. So you should just that loose. It shouldn't be that loose. It needs to be. It's a sail sealer, has a rubber in there, and now it's down tight. And this is held flush and tight. And you see that it, when it pulled that down where it was supposed to be, now look, there's a gap here. So we would redo all of these. We have to do it as a prep work, just like a paint job. And we come and redo all of them. Make sure they're all right, not put new ones. We will put one in place of one where one is missing or one is broken, or if the rubber has failed out completely. But look, you can see that's just spinning. So there's no, it's not holding anymore. And what we do is then come and coat all of this with the well, what we put on is lifetime. It will never crack like this. It's a lifetime guarantee. This stuff is also cracking and failing. It will resaturate this, soak in, seal up, and encapsulate everything in one big, solid, thick, see there, one big solid piece of silicone here. You can see here where this is completely popped out now. It's extreme there. So that's it's a lot, and there is patch materials up here in places. So someone has noticed it before that it was an issue and tried to fix. You can see all this caulking here and here and everywhere. You can see how this is bubbled up all through here. We would push that up in there, and we would zip down another new screw here. Come on, let's push it all up in there. So once we got it all pricked up, oh yeah. That screw's barely, it's just in the rubber. It's not even in the wall anymore. Missing. So we would fix all of that. Come and spray from that side, real thick, all the way back and down, and then get off of the roof and leave it be, and it would be good. The silicone's super flexible too. It will move and flex a whole lot, massive amounts. It's also white, and it's designed to bounce off radiant heat. So not just because of the color, but because of the material, actually causes it to bounce off. These, see how bad that screw is. There's his friend right on the seam here. Oh yeah, and on the outside, nails. There are nails that were sticking out. That one's not bad, but actually this side's not that bad. The other side has nails that are sticking out that need to be reset along here. All right, that's it.